Yeah, buddy. Come here, fish. Get up here, baby. Let's go. Holy crap. That took way too freaking long, man. Oh, lordy. You freaking choked it. Hopefully you guys can hear me somewhat. Little male on the brush hog. Choked it pretty good there. Alright, pliers on this guy. Man, that was a brutal couple hours, not gonna lie, guys. Brutal couple hours. There we go. Alright. Wash off. Alright. There we go. Holy crap, on the little baby brush hog. Gonna definitely need a new one. But yeah, little green pumpkin, red flake, or black and red flake. Nice. That just broke in my new Lose mock crush reel. Pretty sweet, not gonna lie. 7.51 gear ratio, big old meaty grips, and yeah, that felt really nice. Been kind of frustrating the first about hour and a half of fishing, but yeah, that felt really good. Pitched it way up into the toolies, and well, just because I really didn't realize, and then I saw my line was going way far. I'm like, oh, that is a fish, and got him pretty good. But heck yeah, let's get a few more like that. Definitely. Yes. Well, that GoPro, this GoPro just died, but luckily that guy's still rolling. So yeah, there we go. Another one flipping. Hopefully you guys can hear me. You know what, let's go ahead and just sneak you guys down here. That way you probably hear me a little better. Right there, all right. Yep, so there's another one. Again, the new reel doing some work here. Got that paired up with some 15-pound P-line, 100% fluorocarbon. It's doing some work right now. Yeah, that one looked like it had a bloody tail, so probably was on a bed. But yeah, this little freaking baby brush hog, man, that one got destroyed. But nothing super special, just a 3/8 ounce tungsten weight, 15-pound P-line, like I said, got a bobber stop and a 3/0 flipping hook, and that's it, man. Just flipping in the toolies. That one actually, I felt him thumped it pretty good. But yeah, started off slow, but it's picking up, so that's good. Very good. Let's keep at it. Boat flip. There we go. Heck yeah. I got a gnarly sore on him right there. Alright, nice. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. I'm trying to block the wind as much as I can, but it is 20+ miles an hour right now. But there's number 3. Fat little dude on the drop shot. Just with how clear, kind of moved areas and super clear water over here, so figured maybe go a little finessier tactic, and there we go. That one bit it on the old drop shot. It up. That was literally almost back to back. Nice. Little bucks. But you know what? I will take it. What's up here, buddy? Nice. A little 1-pounder. 1-pound largemouth on the drop shot. Literally about 5 feet from where I just caught that last one. There we go. Another little guy. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for biting. Well, that's good. Looks like we found a little spot that's got a little school of males, or a little stretch that's got some males on it. I'll take it. I will take any fish right now. How bad this wind is, I'm struggling just to get a bite, let alone catch a fish. But had my line wrapped up on the spool there. I thought when I did pull it tight for a second that there was a fish, but got it undone and fish was on. Oh, I felt it hit it. Come back, come on. Yep, there he is. Got him. I was missing right here. Almost 3 in a row. On the drop shot. Get up here, buddy. Literally, these are like all clones right here. Fat guys, though. My goodness. Let's go. Got some scars there. Look at that. Got one there, one there. One on this other side. You got messed up, buddy. I'll let you go. Thank you. like where this is going. Took it back up, missed them, and then came back for it. Good old drop shot. Alrighty guys, so wrapping up today's fishing video out on the After Bay, the Oroville After Bay to be specific. And turned out, you know, for a few hours of fishing in the pretty windy conditions, I'd say we did all right. Yeah, it was, I think it was blowing 20, 25 miles an hour with 30 something mile an hour gusts. It was, for Oroville, there was some white caps, which is not, that's the first time I've experienced white caps on Oroville, or the After Bay. But go over a little more in depth on the two baits I caught fish on today. The very first one I caught 2 fish on, my bigger fish, was got some weeds on there still. A little flipping rig, and it's got a peg 3/8 ounce tungsten to a 3/0 flipping hook and a green pumpkin red and black flake brush hog, or baby brush hog. Actually, it's called a medium-sized brush hog now. And I got that on 15-pound P-line, 100% fluorocarbon. And like I said, just broke in my new Lose, is it the Mach 2? Or no, it's just the new Mach Crush, 7.5 gear ratio, and on a Dobbins Sierra Series 705. Just a nice little heavy 7-foot flipping stick. Perfect for close quarters and pitching a lot. And yeah, that did that. Definitely seemed like they were, definitely the male was on a bed. I mean, it took my bait and it swam 5-6 feet with it pretty quickly, kind of imitating like it picked it up and ran off of it like it was on a bed. But then the 3 smaller fish that I caught on just like a little 10-foot stretch, actually I don't even know if it was that far. I had 4 bites, I caught 3 of them on just a little old drop shot, about a 8 to 10 foot drop on it, little 1/4 ounce weight, 6-pound 100% P-line fluorocarbon. And I got that on a Lose Mach Crush spinning reel and a Dobbins Colt 702 spinning rod. And I'm just running straight 6-pound fluorocarbon on that. I used to run braid to a leader, but I kind of found when I actually started to fish with just straight 100% fluorocarbon, I actually was landing, and I would have more fish stay on longer and actually land more fish on the 100% fluorocarbon compared to the braid and leader. I still like it for, you know, the other on my other 2 rods for all of that, but seems like for drop shots specifically, I have a better landing ratio with the 100% fluorocarbon. Kind of something I just recently changed. For years I would run the braid to leader on that for the sensitivity, but it seems like plenty of sensitivity with that 100% P-line fluorocarbon. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely, if it's not windy out there, you probably would see some fish on beds. I know I did see a couple. It's just with how bad that wind was, I could not see them at all, or really couldn't effectively bed fish. But the bite seems to be pretty decent there. So if you got an afternoon, head out there, go fish those toolies, flip them, and you'll probably get you a couple nice fish. But if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below, and peace.